Hi, my name is Pete Brandon and I'm a Senior Design System Specialist here at AK. Tip number 2 for warehouse space planning and design is identify and establish a baseline for your new warehouse. When visiting a customer's warehouse for the first time, we need to identify the products that they want to store as well as the percentage of those products that are different. From there, we can determine the best possible solution for their needs. So determine what those measurable quantities are. Is it full pallets? Is it SKUs or the number of bays? Whatever makes sense for your operation, establish that baseline and set goals for your warehouse. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel.